Hello and welcome home to Colony Grove Lane. Get inside here. You are in for a treat. This ranch style property is just under 3,000 square feet of amazing living space. We're in the living room. It's a nice, generous space here. You are surrounded by Venetian plaster walls and ceiling, recessed lighting. You got beautiful plantation shutters with these amazing double pane windows that are nice, big and bright. They let a lot of sunshine in here. And then we're standing on tile flooring at the entry and then wood flooring here on the living room side. We've got a built-in entertainment center area over there. As you know, guys, real estate is busy. So we're getting calls left and right about this property, but I'm not gonna take that call because I'm walking you through one of the best homes in Villa Park right now, bar none. What I do enjoy about ranch style homes is the flexibility of all the space that you have. And you don't have to worry about going up some steps. So let's take you over here to the family room, which our clients have converted into an entertainment room. Now, most family rooms come with your couch and your living room setups. Not this one. They put a pool table in because they love to party and entertain. You could do the same, or you can convert it to your living standards. You've got an amazing fireplace over here off to the left side of the property, and then you're surrounded by these amazing beams up here. You can keep it all white, or what a lot of folks are doing is creating some contrast where the white planks you have, and then you have your beams, you change those colors up, you sand them down, you make them, you finish them off with a stain, or you can paint them as well. You've got nice skylights that bring a lot of light into this space here, which makes it nice and bright and open. And then if you're a pool table lover, this is the perfect spot to do it. I don't play much pool. If you saw on our Angelina video, what's a big media room without a pool table, right? I mean, let's just corner pocket. I didn't nail anything. So hopefully I've gotten better since then. I can tell you right now, nope. Hey, thankfully, I've sold a lot more homes than I have shot pool tables. So let's keep what I do well going. In this space here, what's really key about it is it's nice and open. So if you like to entertain, you can do it here from the family, the kitchen, to your dining room and living room area, because the kitchen is at the heart of all of it. And your kitchen, if you're one of those folks that loves to cook for your family, you know, the inner chef in you, you can do it in this space. You've got an 8-burner state-of-the-art Wolf range and stove, convection oven, built-in refrigerator, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and ample storage. A walk-in pantry, which flanked by your laundry room, that's there. And then I love how all of this breakfast bar space is open for you. So you can have the kids up here eating breakfast, you know, getting ready for the day, or if you're entertaining, everybody can be having a good time while you're kind of here just orchestrating all of it, enjoying memories and enjoying your family and friends, because that's what you do with an incredible home like this. This dining room space here has a lot of opportunities. You're flanked by a ton of windows, so you get a lot of that natural sunshine, but you get to overlook your amazing grounds, which we'll get to. But let's go over to the bedrooms, because this property comes equipped with 5 bedrooms. Now, one of those bedrooms has been converted into an office / school room, because we're all, having to deal with this COVID pandemic, doing indoor schooling and, doing everything from the house. They converted it very nicely. But if you want to convert it back to a bedroom, you can, because the space is still there for the closet. You've got 4 other bedrooms that are amazing. You take a look at those and I will meet you outside. What's an entertainer house without an entertaining backyard? I mean, these are resort grounds back here. You've got all of this space. Remember, you're just under a ½ acre of beautiful land. Got a side yard behind me, a nice gazebo set up there. with the television, the coolers. You can have a party. This is the cabana area, okay? This is where you're gonna have bottle service and definitely enjoy the pool resort-like grounds. The spa behind me here, this gorgeous pool with the slide and the waterfall. I mean, you can imagine already all the fun and memories you're gonna create out here with this space. And if you need more, you've got it. You've got beautiful brick pavers, a fire pit for the entertainer in you that wants to have a lot of fun, conversation starters. You have it with this backyard. Not to mention, you've got a nice little sand area here for the kiddos, another waterfall that comes down with a little bridge. And I love how you're surrounded by all this greenery, and it creates the perfect privacy setting where you do feel like you're in your own oasis. Now, this backyard side here, look at all this grass. I'm gonna cut through. You've got your built-in barbecue. So right here, you're gonna be cooking up a storm for your friends and your family, at the same time enjoying the kiddos playing and doing what they do best. And then you wanna keep the party going. You have so much space back here to do whatever you'd like. You wanna put in a soccer field? You can. You wanna put in a sports court? You can also do that. Or just enjoy the space that's there. Trampoline, you name it. And then you're flanked by your 3-car garage and parking area. This is all gated, it's private. You have a lot of seclusion back here. More importantly, you have enough space and privacy to do whatever it is that you want. And that's why I believe you buy a home like this. Did you enjoy this tour of Colony Grove Lane here in the jewel of Orange County, Villa Park? Let's recap. You've got 4 bedrooms, 1 office, used to be a bedroom, being used as an office space now, 3 bathrooms, just under 3,000 square feet of amazing living space. You're sitting on just under a ½ acre of beautiful grounds. You've got your pool, the slide, the spa, the gazebo area, that big grass area, and then not to mention you're surrounded by all that greenery, just creating that perfect seclusion and privacy. The big open family area here, these wood beam ceilings. I mean, this home is just screaming family home, and it's here for you. Now, if that's not enough, you say, let's talk about the lifestyle. You have so much available here. You've got the Villa Park Town Center with all the shopping, your banking, your food needs, everything's there. You are minutes to the best schools, private and public. You've got the Irvine Regional Park. You're still local to everything else Orange County, the amazing beaches, the entertainment, the sporting venues, the hiking trails, you know, access to the freeways to get you to and from up and down Southern California. It doesn't get any better than this. And I'd love to be a part of it with you. If you've liked what you've seen so far and you'd like to see it in person so you can really fall in love, I'm a phone call or a text away. You can call me or text me, 714-335-0844, and I would love to show you this home. Have a great day.